Perseveres and Hobbies. And we've got the Hamilton Beach Artisan bread maker here. And there's not too much time left on it. And you see it's 2-pound loaf has come up to the top of the window. It's going to be a little bit tough to get out, but that's the time that has left right there, if you can see it. And I'll show you the recipe next over here. This is the recipe we used, okay, and that's right from the book. I just wrote it out so I didn't mess up the book while I'm using ingredients. If you have any questions about this bread maker, let me know in the comments below. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you, and have a nice day.